Hi, I am Alexey Bragin from Moscow, Russia, and I am a project lead of ReactOS. Our project is an open source operating system, but rather unusual one. ReactOS aims to be compatible with existing software applications and hardware drivers developed for Windows operating system. To achieve this, we are implementing a totally new kernel based on a Windows NT kernel architecture design. This allows us to drop all legacy stuff and provide a complete but lightweight operating system. We are going to install ReactOS in real time now, and it's going to finish installation before I am done with this talk. Thanks to all voters, ReactOS has been chosen as a finalist. Competition has been tough. SourceForge.net is full of excellent projects suitable for nominations. Now the last, most complex step remains. We should win in Community Choice Awards because our project is going to make a revolution in open source desktop-oriented operating systems. Creating an OS is a big task which requires a lot of resources, developers and testers for example. We already have a relatively large community, and development is going good and smooth, but we aim high. We need more people for unique challenges. Winning in CCA could really kick off ReactOS. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Johannes Angerwald. I come from Austria and I'm one of the ReactOS core developers. My current project is bringing ReactOS the ability to play and record sounds. It's a big task, but it's also really fun to work on. Thank you and bye-bye.
Hi, I'm Daniel Reimer. Most of you know me as D-Reimer or Elmo & Co. I am forum moderator and developer of ReactOS build environment. And today I show you where I live. My living room, my aquarium, my beer, my living room. This is where I sit most of the time and code and write in the chat rooms. My consoles collection. Here are my lemmings. Here. Quite useful little buddies. They do all my coding work when I'm at university. And my ReactOS testing PCs. Most of them don't work, and the ones which work don't work with ReactOS. Well, I hope it will be better in the future, but for now it's quite useless. Alright, that was it. See you.
Alright, I'm Jed Murphy from Manchester, England. I'm pretty hungry. I'm just cooking dinner, but I said I'd give 2 minutes of my time to record this little snippet. So I'm one of the core ReactOS developers. I've been with the project for a long time, 2003 probably, and I'm what we class as a wide coverage developer, meaning I've worked in many different areas in both user mode and kernel mode. Outside of ReactOS, I'm an NT system developer, of course. I prefer to work in kernel mode, of course. I work for a great company called AppSense, where I work on cutting edge virtualization technology whereby we virtualize the major components of the Windows operating system, such as the registry, file system, IPC, etc. And this gives us the ability to install software into a sandbox, and we can then move applications between systems. Due to my job now, I don't have as much time as I used to write code for ReactOS, so I've sort of taken a more of an organisational role, helping to run the project. I try to review all patches that go in. I'm normally around to give some guidance wherever possible. That's not to say I never write any code for ReactOS, but when I do find some time now, I sort of try to stay away from the kernel, which I work in user mode quite a bit now, which allows me to like sort of quickly dip in and out without having to think too much about what I'm doing if you was working in kernel mode. So that's me, that's what I do. Cheers.